Welcome back to Cocina y Soy. Today, we are continuing our miso soup variation, part 2. Cut the salmon into single bite size. Peel and cut the potatoes into half moon. For the onion, cut into thin slices. Cut the spring onion into small pieces. In a vessel with water dashi powder, mix well until it dissolves. Add sake. Bring a vessel with water to boil. This is just to brush the salmon with the water. This will take out any impurities and fishy smell, then rinse through in cold water. Pat dry and set aside. In a saucepan, add the liquid mixture, introduce the potatoes, onion, and salmon. Bring it to a boil, skimming any bubbles that rise to the surface for a clean, clear broth. Once you are able to stick a toothpick through the potatoes, it is ready to bring in the miso paste. Add the white and red miso in a ladle. With a little bit of the broth, whisk and introduce to the soup. Finish, turn the heat off, and add the spring onions. And here it is, Salmon Miso Soup.